Kerry, you're in first place in the Fantasy Football League.
Yeah, I'm a front runner. That's where I like to be.
But you've played fantasy football before, and you know the rules. You know what to look for, what not to look for.
Yeah.
I think you're one. I think you're the only one who's ever done it before.
Well, and hence that's why
you're in first place.
That's why you're winning.
If I wasn't winning, it would be a problem. So yeah, no, I mean it's been a fun process. Like the draft was awesome. We had a bunch of guys out there, and seeing guys go through it. Some guys had a little help and knew what they were doing, but seeing the guys do it for the first time was kind of cool and funny to watch. Like Michael Jackson and Max Strong, those guys kind of struggled through it a little bit. Mike being on the phone the whole time, but it's a process, and I like where I am halfway through the season, but there's still a long season to go, and you never know what can happen.
5-1. You got the same record as the Seahawks. Okay, Corky.
Yes, my pleasure.
This fantasy football league is really cool. It's one of a kind, and personally every guy on the team because you've watched them from the sideline, from the lens of your camera. You've captured every one of these guys. What do you think about this league?
So I think it's a great opportunity for the former players to stay involved in the league, but it's even a better opportunity for the fans to give the players advice on who to pick and who to play, because there's a lot of fans out there that know Jacksonville inside and out, know Pittsburgh inside and out, and if you're playing another team and you've got a Pittsburgh player and they say, hey, Ben's having a tough time right now, don't play Ben, or you're going up against this defense. I think the fans have the opportunity to tell the players how to pick their teams every week, and they should.
I know personally, I would appreciate that.
Most of the fans have been playing fantasy football a lot longer than most of the guys, anyways. Even the current guys. So I can imagine that the alumni guys are a little older, a little bit more removed from that world. They'll take. So
fans, give these guys more advice. They need it.
Especially Randall Morris, Nesby Glasgow, minor adjustments, even Max Strong.
He's kind of
the bottom of the fans.
But don't count out the women's vote either. I posted something on my own personal Facebook page saying, hey, I could use your advice on fantasy football. And a woman posted back, I'd love to help you, but you're a professional football player. Jen, you know football. Would you feel comfortable giving advice to one of us?
Yeah, I would, actually. Yeah, I'm not playing fantasy this year, but when I did play, I had beginner's luck and won the league that I was in with all men. So,
there you go.
Yeah.
You just picked the cute guys, didn't you?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so there you have it. Join us on FantasySportsFansUS.com and give us advice. We could use it.
They need it.